New game animation sample project 5.7 came out, bringing with it mover and all sorts of updates. But more importantly, it brought with it 500 new animations. So we're going from 800 animations to 1,398. And there's some really cool ones in here. So there's like a sitting animation, there's sliding, there's tighter turns, there's some interactions, there's 12 avoidance animations. But if you're like me, you probably don't want to download this project, create it, have it stored, retarget the animations, and do all that jazz. So maybe Epic has put out the animation packs for all the animations. No?
Fine. I'll do it myself.
What we've done is we've retargeted all of these animations to Manny, including the folder setup. So the setup in the folders are exactly the same, all named. These are all retargeted to Manny. And what you'll notice is they all have the curves already there, and they all have all the sort of Foley notifications for your sounds as well. So this pack was updated today, and it now has all of those animations included with a list of which animations those ones are as well. So instead of having a 6 GB project with animations that you had to target, this is now 236 megabytes. That's its zip file. When you unzip it, it's about 2 GB in total for all these animations. So it's a lot smaller and a lot more compact, and obviously it's already retargeted to Manny for you to use. So you're welcome to this pack. It is free. I'm not taking any money for it because it should be free, and that's the right thing to do. But if you could, then please drop me a review and check out the other stuff in the FAB store, which for the most part is also free. I think I've got 3 paid assets that aren't free. So enjoy, have a great day, and have a lovely weekend. We appreciate you.